Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Nicolene Grace and thank you for stopping by. So today guys, I'll be traveling. I've just done my makeup, arranged my house. Now I'm about to leave. I'll be traveling to the village. I want to go and visit my grandmother. So let's get into the video. Get ready with me and then tuende hadi Kisii. Yeah. And if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe. Yeah. Thank you.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can long. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you mine and my street. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny, your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try and to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by you. Loved by you.
Guys, we are on our way to Narok and this is how everything looks. Yeah, let's go to Kisii.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you mine and my street. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try and to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by you. Loved by you.
Guys, if you are given a chance to relocate from where you stay, would you prefer to stay in Kisii? Leave a comment. Leave a comment down. Look at this place. It's very green. Like for me, I will consider staying in Kisii because I really like this place. And honestly, I'm done with my school. This is the place that I'll go to stay. Yani, life there is very, very, very affordable. Everything looks nice, especially the green. Wow. Anyway, leave a comment. Let me know. How do you guys see this place? The roads and everything? Yeah, just leave a comment. Let me know. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for clicking onto this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like. Remember to subscribe if you're a new person to this channel. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye. See you on my next video.